We're at the Plantation on Cystal River in Cystal River, Florida. This is a pretty large resort with rather large grounds. They've got the boat and trailer parking, which is really nice. We ended up in the overflow lot because this is Saturday and it's scalloping season, so it's unbelievably busy. This is a king waterfront. The rooms are actually very large, so for a 6-day stay we have plenty of room. We won't be stepping on each other. Amenities are pretty good as far as it's got a spa, it's got a hotel, it's got a dive shop, it's got a marina. It does have the, not boat slips, but they have a dock wall and seawall, so you can, it's first come first serve. So we couldn't get our boat in today. Like I said, it's scallop season, so we are at the mercy of all the other people that are trying to get into that water. We are actually right, I don't know if you can see it, may have to get some day shots, but we're right next to the dock wall. It's first come first serve for your boats. They do not have slips. They have a 2 to 3 foot tidal surge, so you need to be careful with those bumpers, because we saw a few boats that were knocking up against that wall because they came in at low tide, and when it rose, the bumpers are now up above the seawall itself. So, but overall, nice hotel, plenty to do here. Just be prepared to eat out for every meal. You're not gonna barbecue or cook or grill, so.
And they do not have breakfast.
They don't have breakfast in the morning, again, I'm assuming because of the restaurant, but that's fine. There's plenty to do here, plenty of places to go eat if you don't want to eat at the same restaurant every day. So, but say hi, Bo.
Hello.
And welcome to Cystal River.
Well, this is the plantation at the Cystal River. There's the marina and also the dive center. Laura and I have been here for 3 days. We've been here since Saturday. Been out on the boat Sunday and yesterday. We did our scalloping yesterday. Did our just driving around and kind of getting used to the place, figuring out the waterways. Not bad at all. We really enjoyed the time so far. We're going back out today for scalloping. Yesterday we kind of figured it out. Went out, got about 2 gallons worth, but we only spent maybe an hour in the water. My sister and her family went with us. Pretty cool day. But they're not into the scuba diving and or snorkeling thing, so we didn't spend much time out. So Laura and I are going to go out today and see if we can do a little better. Spend maybe 2 or 3 hours out. We're not trying to get too many. It's like anything else. Take what you need, take what you want. We're going to get enough to have a really good meal when we get home, and maybe send some home with my sister. The grounds are pretty nice. The seat wall, when we got here, I had to leave my boat on the trailer the first day and night because there just wasn't enough room. And then the weekend was ended and this place just emptied out, and this is awesome. Not a whole lot going on. They say this weekend it's going to get busy again because of the holidays. The seawall is concrete, of course. The tide rises up to 3 feet, and they use these PVC pipes that you put down in the ground, the mud, very soft, and you tie your boat off. And right now, as you can see, it's high tide, and my boat's tied down. And actually, I can see I probably got it a little bit too tight on a couple the bow rope. So I'm gonna adjust those real quick. I thought I'd got all my video. Apparently I didn't have it on. I'll do another walkthrough. I was sitting over here on the canal doing some previews and realized that I did not have the video rolling. So we're gonna do a walk around. As I was saying earlier, I was checking the boat out this morning. We're at high tide. The bow stern wasn't too tight. Those ropes are okay. So we're walking around the pool area right now. It's called a teardrop pool or a lagoon style pool, and it actually is very nice. We have been here for about 3 or 4 days, haven't really used the pool. Not big on that whole crowd scene. However, it is awesome. As you can see, plenty of seating, resort style. They've got a little bar set up here so you can get refreshments. I'm assuming both alcohol and refreshments for the kids. Now I will say this, you cannot beat the view at all. And here's a good shot of the pool. Say it's a lagoon style, very clean, very well kept. And there's the mouth of the canal, and the grounds actually border 2 canals. Here's what you would call a river walk. That's kind of cool. We've walked around the property several times. A lot of outdoor activities, a lot of activities for both the adults and the kids here, and I think that's what they were going for. It's an older resort. It's very well kept. It was clean, and it has, like I said, a lot more here than you think there is. They have adventure cruises, manatee. You can do charters. Of course, they have a dive shop. All the gear you need, snorkeling and so forth. And scalloping grounds are about, I'd imagine about an hour's drive out. You have the manatee zones and so forth. But it's not that bad. It's actually a very, very, very beautiful drive. And if you're lucky enough, there are some beautiful homes throughout the canal area. Right across the canal are some very lucky individuals. The actual grounds go as far as the eye can see here, and it's a very, very family-oriented place. This open field here, I'm gonna actually launch my drone later on today or tomorrow and try to get some aerial footage. I checked with the staff and they said it was okay. But there's a good-sized field, about half the size of a football field, 50 yards long, with maybe actually about 30-40 yards wide. They have all kinds of activities set up. You can do everything from, you can do everything from throwing horseshoes to actually playing volleyball. So they've got all your summertime Florida outdoor beach style activities you want. And then of course for the little ones, they've got activities for them also. Path I'm on right now, I think it's the golf cart path that the staff used to just go around the property. Laura's going to take some good video of the front of the property, which is rather nice when you enter also. And if you play golf, you get a golf course across the street. And the town of Cystal River is not more than 1.5 miles, 2 miles on the main drag. Plenty of good food. We've gone out a couple of places. There is a restaurant, bar, grill type establishment here. We haven't used it yet. Just kind of exploring. We're going to do Three Sisters River tomorrow, I believe. Check out the crystal clear water it's got to offer. As you can see, this is a massive place. It is very nice. So that'll be it for right now. See you guys on the next one.